So we are given that origin is on where? On ground floor. Let's say the ground floor here is origin. And we are taking upwards as positive and downwards as negative. So lift moves from here to here. એવું છે ને? Correct or not? Okay or not? Okay. વાંધો નહીં. તને આમાં difficult લાગતું હોય તો આડું કરી દો. Lift પાડી દેવી. So let's say this is origin somewhere. Right side is positive and left side is negative. Suppose some object was initially here, means let's say at position 50 meter, and it moves towards this side and comes here. Let's say this is at 30 meter. This is final position. So I thought that to what is displacement of this object? What is the displacement? 20 meter. Sure. Did you do it by intuition or you did it by mathematics? Mathematics. Delta X की formula 20 के minus 20. Minus 20 ने absolutely sure. Okay. Fine. What was served? Now come here. શું લાગે? You agree it is negative or not yet? Yes, you agree, sure. The easiest way to decide direction of displacement is see how it's moving. It goes from here to here, correct or not? Initial to final. In which direction that is? Left side. Left side is negative. The object is on right side, but it is going towards the left side. So displacement is negative. Again, where am I standing? Mantra. Am I standing on your left or on your right? And now where am I going? Got it? Where is the lift? Is it above origin or below origin? Above. Means on positive side. Lift is on positive side. The position is positive. Did you understand? But where is the lift going? So displacement. Clear? Sure? હવે તો B નહીં આવે ને? Okay. Any other questions? Yes, Neeraj.
Question number 17.
17. Find the resultant vector of the three vectors shown in figure. Okay, anyone else has doubt with it? બીજા બધાને આવડે છે ને? તો હવે બધા આદુ પકડો ફટાફટ. Like mushrooms in monsoon. Right? Okay. This is what I have been telling you. તમે પૂછતા નથી, ડરો છો એટલું બધું. એક ક્વેશ્ચન શું કામ જવા દેવો જોઈએ? બધા સોલ્વ કરી નાખીએ ને, શું કામ બાકી રાખીએ? હું તમને એવું કહું છું કે ડાઉટ ન સોલ્વ કરવા બહુ પછી બહુ બધો સિલેબસ બાકી છે કે નો, then why are you so hesitant? Okay. So here we have to find resultant. Resultant means what? Sum, correct. So R vector equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Clear or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now, see, you can do it in 2 or 3 different ways, but in my view, the easiest way is taking components of all the vectors. Remember, writing everything in standard form. याद है ना बताने standard form? बिना दिया. तो नोवेला पढ़ लिया. Head out, तो ग्रुप पे लागू कर दो. ना, तुमने आपकी. Jennifer, B vector. What is B vector in standard form? Sorry, I can. Only I can. Anything else? 6 I can. Is that clear or not clear?
Yes.
Who understood this? Who has not understood that? Okay. Okay, problem not understood. Trisha, you can ask her a question. करो अरे थोड़ा વર્ષો પહેલા તો લોઝ ઓફ મોશન ભણાવ્યો તો બાજવાનું થઈ જાય ખબર છે આ તો આમ ન જ આવે આઉટ થાય આમ જ આવે બોલો what's your question?
How 6
why 6 I can એવું પૂછે louder I cannot hear you મને પાર્ટ લેવા દો ડિસ્કશનમાં louder one It is given in pattern. સૌથી જોરદાર answer. આટલું તો છે જોઈ લે એવું કહે છે. બીજો પેટર્ન જો. Congratulations. હવે બીજા કોને ડાઉટ હતો? તો નથી પૂછવું એટલે ડરી ગયો શું? આ નહીં કરવાનું. જો તમે એવું કેમ માનો છો કે આ નહીં આવે તો આપણું કામ ચાલી જશે? ઇટ વિલ બૂમરેંગ એન્ડ કમ બેક ટુ યુ. એટલી મારી તમને ગેરંટી. બરાબર ને? કોઈને પૂછ્યું કઈ? એની ઓપોઝિશન પાર્ટી 6i caret? Sure. વિશ્વા તેને ડાઉટ નહીં નહીં ને? Who can explain why it is 6i caret? હવે ઊંધા પકડીએ. Of course you will explain, not you. Anyone else? Okay. તો બીજા બધાને ડાઉટ જ કહેવાય ને. જો if you cannot explain it. એ ક્રિયા drawing the components of d vector. Okay. But isn't it much more simpler than that? Yeah, okay. What you are saying is not wrong, of course. Yes, please. Magnitude of b vector is 6. એટલે 6 vector. પછી it is along positive x, right? So what direction is positive x? I caret. Clear or not clear? Sure. So that would be 6i caret. Clear? Sit down everyone. So we have done b vector. હવે શું કરવાનું આવે છે? c vector. I બહુ અઘરું છે. આ તો મને આવડતું જ નથી. What will be c vector? Raise your hand. હવે તો Harsh 4j caret. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
अच्छा एग्जाम में कोने आउ गયું તો raise your hand. See, this is improvement. આવ્યું ને improvement. એક્ઝામ માં હજી તમને 2 કલાક પહેલા નતો આવડતો. હવે આવડ્યું કે c vector is 4j caret. Okay or not? એવું નો કહેતા સર પેટર્ન જ નતો ખબર પડે. રિઝલ્ટ તો મીનિંગ તો આવડતું જ તેમ કહે. Sit down first. Well done. હવે a vector. Who can express it in standard form? નહીં તો હોમવર્ક નકામું જતું રહેશે. કેટલા બધા સમ થાય પતા ભૂલી ગયા. ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કરીને you have to find everything in form of I caret, J caret. એને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મ કહેવાય. નામ નથી ભૂલી ગયા ને? Okay, yes, Vasti. Can't hear you. 10. K caret. કેમ K ક્યાંથી આવ્યું? Z છે. Z axis તો છે જ નહીં ને. It is only x and y. એવું તે નતું વિચાર્યું કે 1 is in x, 1 is in y અને third one should be in z. એટલું હોય ને. ચલો હોમવર્ક ના ક્વેશ્ચન યાદ કરો ઘણા બધા. Okay, who can do it? Raise your hand again. He is આવડે છે. He is stand up. ચલો શું આવે? Board. Louder. 10 I caret. Why 10 I caret? How do we convert a vector drawn to standard form? By drawing first step to करना है ना, component find करना पड़े ना. How do we find component? By drawing a rectangle. Yes or no?
Yes.
याद आयु ने? चलो चलो બધા sit down positive well tried હીર કે મને મરાવ્યો તો એમાં શું થઈ ગયું મેં કઈ પનિશમેન્ટ આપી દીધી તો ખાલી પૂછ્યું ને આન્સર ખોટો આવ્યો તો આ બધા ક્યાં આવડે છે મેં ક્યાં ખબર પડી લોકોને એવું નથી ને લેસ હવે એમાં ઇન્ટર કરી નાખ્યો મેં કઈ દીધું નથી આવડતું હેઝિટેશન કાઢવાનું એ બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે એટલે તો એટલું ધીમે ધીમે ભણાવજો આવું બોલાવી નહીતર તો એક સેકન્ડમાં હું નફા ઇન્ટેન્ટ લખ નાખું Don't draw everything. Just draw a vector. Don't draw B and C. જરૂર નથી એનું થઈ ગયું હવે શું ડ્રો કરો. Just draw a vector and find component. Raise your hand when you are done. Hurry up. Done. Yeah. How many of you have finished? Did you draw the rectangle? Yes or no?
Yes.
What કરવાનું? Sin cos. એવું જ આવે ને બધું? હોમવર્ક કર્યું તો કે નહીં તમે લોકોએ? ડાઉટ પડે છે તમારી ઉપર. ચેક કરું બુકમાં છે કે નહીં? કરું ને કોણે કરી નાખ્યું યાદ તો છે ને બધાને વોટ હોમવર્ક વે ટોકિંગ અબાઉટ પૂછું તો પડે ઓકે સો when you got it raise your hand again 10 આ જે a વેક્ટર છે શું આવશે on right real louder ax is okay then સીધું અહીંયા લખ નાખે ને 5√3 I get it પછી plus 5 meter yes or no yes sit down correct or not sure yes exactly you're getting 5 I hat plus 5√3 j okay when you have found x component is ax what have you used cos 30 degree or sin 30 degree sin 30 degree what x component it's wrong isn't it you realize it okay now બીજા લોકો સમજવાનું છે આ કેસ આવ્યું સમજવું છે then you'll have to ask who has a question હું નહીં સમજાવું તમારા ફ્રેન્ડ જ સમજાવશે તમને બરાબર ને okay who has a question all right okay here stand up what's the question about anything the whole method right so who can detail and describe the whole method step by step હવે તમારો વારો મેં તો શીખવાડ્યું કોઈ ન આવડતું ને કાં તો કોપી કરી લેખું ને બધાય શું ના તો આવડતું તો નથી કોને આવડે મેથડ alright Hitakshi come here do it on the board and also explain Urban voice આવો જોઈએ start A vector है ना बोले x axis है तो पहले x y की ड्रॉ करना this is x axis okay y is vertical wait બોલતી જજો અને આ બાજુ નહીં જવાનું આમ જવાનું look at the class મારે થી કુછ નથી તાર પાસે હું स्टेप्स तो बोलो के રીતે કરવાનું હું આવી રીતે સમજાવું છું મને નથી કે આમ આમ
A vector is given. We have one rectangle. Ax, ay, ay. From equilateral we can find ax and ay.
કે તે
Sin cos.
सॉरी मैं देखा ओके वेट sin theta is opposite upon આવડે છે બધાને yes ઓકે કન્ટિન્યુ ay upon k yes ओके Louis is refer to here. She is explaining it. Cos 30. Adjacent upon louder. Here, public conversation only. Louder. It's okay. 10 will be multiplied on that side, so 10 by 2 becomes 5. Ax I carry. So x की value 5 root. Ay j carry. Ay is 5. Questions now. શું કે દોસ્તી કઈ ખબર ન પડી કઈ ન ખબર પડી You are disqualified as a teacher. Exactly. મને આવી ફીલિંગ આવતી હોય થોડી વાર but still I control myself. Okay? No, I'm saying that as a joke. I understand as a part of being a teacher that is common. ઘણી વાર એવું થાય આમાં આ ન ખબર પડી આવ એવું થાય. Questions, come on. હવે મને પૂછો ચલો હું સમજાવું. Can we use tan 30? Okay, come here. આ બધું હેઝિટેશન તમારે દૂર કરવાનું છે મારી સામે હસતા જોવા મળવા જોઈએ ને હસતા હસતા ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછવા જોઈએ ચલો આ ટ્રાયંગલ તેને બનાવ્યું છે તું કર tan 30 degree. The question is can't we use tan 30 degree? શું થાય let's see. શું બોલે इरेज करू જોઈએ તો હરખું ઇરેજ કર તો મોટો ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો થાય અહીંયા કર અહીંયા સાઈડમાં કર મોટો ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કરજે ઈ રેવા દે પણ અહીંયા I hope everyone is thinking about his question. Tan થી નો થાય? થાય ને? This is what is worth exploring. તમને કહું છું ને કે તો ખાલી હું બોલું તમે હા 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 થેન્ક યુ એવું કરો એવું નહીં. વિચારવાનું what if you do something else. રેક્ટેંગલ કરો કે ના? બધા દેખાય બરાબર. ક્યાં કે હવે વેક્ટર લાંબુ કરના. Okay, now tan 30 કરો ને પહેલા આપણે પૂછ લે પબ્લિક ને tan theta means opposite upon adjacent કરો મીટર લખી પૂછે બીજી વાર કોણ લખશે હવે હા 30 degrees opposite is AY. चलो भाई हुआ okay now ax equal to root 3 है very good હવે શું what were we trying to do we are trying to find value of ax and ay so we got a relation of ax and ay but did we get a numerical value of ax or ay yes or no am I right okay so without using sine or cos it will be impossible you have to use at least one of the two પછી tan કરી શકાય બરાબર ને you have to use at least one of the two તો પછી સીધું sin ને એકવાર cos જ કરી નખાય ને is that clear or not clear મંત્ર સમજ પડી કેમ ન કરાય sure yes sir okay here do you have questions કે તને હજી ન સમજાણું સમજાઈ ગયું તને sure હસ્તી what's your doubt શું આમ કંટાળી ગયો અરે યાર તમે લોકો કંટાળી બહુ જાઓ પેશન્સ લર્નિંગ રિક્વાયર્સ પેશન્સ પૂછો એ તો પૂછી લે થઈ ગયું સવાલ શું હતો ડાઉટ મને કહેશો લાઉડર શું છે કાન બી યુઝ 10 એવો ડાઉટ હતો એ તો એવું કીધું હતું પહેલા કે કંઈ સમજાણું નહીં I am very nagging, am I not? બરાબર ને હું પીછો ન છોડું એવો છું ને sit down you sit down if you want or you have a question yes એટલા હા cool question can we do it like first we use sin theta and then we use Pythagoras theorem yes because if you use sin theta you get two sides once you get two sides then you can find the third side by using Pythagoras theorem alright value okay but frankly in my view it won't be as easy as using cos and the cos not to the equal step ma answer આવ્યું yes or no alright તો બોલો હોમવર્ક કરવાનું ને આજ પાછું એ નહીં કરવાનું કયું હોમવર્ક કરવાની જરૂર તો છે ને કે નથી લાગતી if you could not do this immediately then I suggest that you do it without fail અને કરી લેજો પહેલી વાર કદાચ તમે હોમવર્ક બહુ સિરિયસલી નહીં લીધું હોય તો હવે એ પાછું અહીંયા પ્રોબ્લેમ ક્રિએટ કરે બરાબર ને and frankly finding components of vectors is a very common thing in physics ઘણી વાર આવશે any further questions anyone કંટાળી નો કહેવાય. Nothing, right? Let's add this. So r vector equal to addition કરવાનું છે. શું કરવાનું? 5 root 3 I caret plus 5 j caret plus 6 I caret plus 4 j caret. Clear or not?
Yes.
Okay, now apples with apples. એટલે 5 11 નો થાય. 5 root 3 plus 6 I caret. Is that okay or not okay?
Yes.
Here you cannot add 5 with 6 because there is a root 3. But અહીંયા થશે plus 9 j caret. And everything is in which unit? Meter. Got it? So this is r vector. હવે શું કરવાનું? We can find two things. One, magnitude. How to find magnitude of such a vector? હવે point માં કરી નાખો તો કરી નાખો, no problem. Root 3 is 1.7. So multiply by 5, what do we get? 1.7 into 5. 8.65. Yes or no? 8.65 plus 6 I caret plus 9 j. How much is this? 8 plus 6. How much? 14. 14.65 I caret plus 9 j caret in meter. હવે magnitude. How to find magnitude of a vector? Under root. Unit. We want to find magnitude of this vector. Do we have its x component, y component? So who can tell me a formula to do it? Raise your hand. I want to find r vector's magnitude. Sama. Under root rx square plus ry. Alright, don't do it by a square plus b square plus 2a because we don't need it. Sit down. So rx square means what? 14.65 square plus 9 square. પછી આને સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરી દો. કેલ્ક્યુલેટર યુઝ કરો છો કે નહીં એક્ઝામમાં? એક્ઝામમાં કરજો, ક્લાસમાં નહીં કરજો. So that you get enough practice. Alright? આને સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરીને આન્સર આપો. Got it? What about angle though? Angle कैसे find થાય? For any vector tan theta is equal to શું લખવાનું? That was for addition of two vectors only. Here how many vectors are added? 3. So नहीं चाले? But a general idea. Do you remember that if you have any vector, let's say r, then it has two components rx and ry, and this angle is theta. Then how can we find theta? How can we find theta? Tan theta equal to ry upon rx. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is ry? Hello, what is ry? 9. And what is rx? 14.65. Is it okay? Okay or not okay?
Yes.
So this is how you could do it. અને આને ડિવાઇડ કરવાનું whatever you get. પછી છે ને આવી રીતે લખાય. હવે મેં તમને કીધું હતું યાદ આવ્યું? theta equal to tan inverse whatever you are getting by dividing these two, that goes here. Clear? Understood or not? तो याद है ना tan inverse. It's like asking angle which angle's tan is that one. That is the answer. Okay? I exact 15 होत ने तो થઈ જાય. પણ એ 15 નથી exact. Exact 15 હોય તો this becomes 3/5. Which angle's tan is 3/5? 3/5 આવે છે એમાં એમાં but the sign માં આવે ને tan માં આવે ને so you just have to leave it like that only, whatever that is. Alright? And then divide કરીને લખી નાખો this side. So this is the answer of this question. Two things have to be found: magnitude and angle. Alright? Next. Is it out? No, 13. Okay, particle is moving in a straight line. X is given. Okay, and we have to find acceleration. Okay. Do you know the Carnot method. Okay, so you tell me how to solve this question. But you can mistake. Question 13. X is given, and we want to find out acceleration. Start. Differentiation of dx by dt. So what will that give? And શું કહેવાય dx by dt? Velocity. Alright, so velocity is dx by dt. So how much would this be? Minus 3 3t square. Okay, who can do this differentiation for me? Raise your hand. एक वस्तु तो कंफर्म થઈ ગઈ તમે ભૂલી બહુ જાવ છો બરાબર છે નહીં ફરી વાર પોઈન્ટ માં નથી કોઈને પાવર ડિફરન્શિએશન કેવી સિચ્યુએશન છે you can't speak. Okay, sit down. Who else? Right, Vishwa? Minus 5. Step wise समझावे दे ना.
So differentiation of b by dt 2 will be 0.
Okay, differentiation of 2 will be 0 because 2 is a constant. Next.
As minus 5 is constant, so it will decrease out and dt by dt will be 1.
Okay, so minus 5 is outside and then we have dt by dt, that is what? Clear or not? Okay, then
Plus 3t square, power of 3 will be down and 3 minus 1 will be this.
understood?
Yes.
T cube differentiation is 3t square. Sit down. Well done. So this is it. So velocity is 3t square minus 5. This is velocity. We don't have to find velocity. We have to find just one the next step. dv by dt. Okay, what should I write now? It will be 0. Oh, so 6t only. Clear or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now at what time do you have to find? So answer will be 12 meter per acceleration is unit of acceleration is 12 meter per second. Got it?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So how do you answer? Differentiation problems. Yeah. Okay or not? Sit down. Next. 9th one I have 9. હજી ન કરો હોમવર્ક જો આવું થાય બરાબર છે 9th તો હોમવર્ક માં તો એવો છે ને બેસ્ટ ઓકે ફાઇન डाउट पूछो यार કેમ નથી પૂછતા કઈ डाउट આવડે તો છે ઓલું કે બધું આવડે છે ટેસ્ટ પ્રિપેર
Sorry,
નંબર
number 15.
15 હા three non-zero vectors a vector b vector c vector satisfy equation a vector plus b vector equal to c vector means c is their resultant. Sit down. Three vectors are given. C vector is the resultant. Okay, so it will follow which law of addition? Triangle. Okay, fine. And their magnitude satisfy this relation a square plus b square equal to c square. Okay. Three vectors make a triangle and it's satisfying Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? એવું છે ને કે નહીં? It is satisfying Pythagoras theorem. So the triangle must be which angle? Which kind of triangle? Right angle. Okay. Now the question is about drawing it. Suppose this is a vector. Now I have to draw b vector and I want to follow triangle law of addition. So a to the confirm the b and draw around. Is that clear or not clear? Yes. Sure? Yes. How should I draw b vector so that resultant will be such that we get a right angle triangle. I should draw B upwards? Yes. Sure? Yes. Now where is C vector? From the tail of A to how is it? Yes or no? Yes. First vector, from head of first vector we have drawn second vector, and now from tail of first to the head of last we join it, so we get the resultant. Is it okay or not okay? Yes. Now read the question. We have a square plus b square is equal to c square. That is only possible if which angle is 90 degree? Angle between a vector and b. Is that clear or not? Yes. So how would you answer this? How would a vector be oriented with respect to b vector? Oriented means arranged. How are they arranged? Perpendicular. Is that clear or not? A vector is perpendicular to 0. Got it? So you have to draw this, and you have to write that it's perpendicular. So you get 2 marks. Okay? Yes. 25. Okay. Which method do we have to use? Triangular method. Okay. Now, how to solve this? Draw the first one, draw the second one. Okay, to the outer, then join the tail to the head. Okay. So that I do it. See, you in exam you have to do it with an instrument. Means with a protractor. એમને તો 40 120 તમે કહી દેજો. Right? કે આવડે જ એમને. આવડે કે ન આવડે? Just asking you. Okay, I don't know how to draw it. So this is a vector, suppose making an angle, okay, 40 degree with x axis. Right. So you have to draw it this way. Then vector b is making 120 degree with x axis. એટલે આમ क्या करें? Did you understand this? Yes or no? કેમ આ બાજુ આવ્યું? Because this is positive x axis. From there it will make 120. Got it? અને હવે શું કરવાનું? From here to here. Clear? Clear or not clear? Depending on what are the magnitudes, actually આ થોડું નાનું છે. Means you will have to do it with instrument. એમને તો થશે જ નહીં. Let me be very clear. This is 5 and this is 6, but typically this is 6. This is how you have to draw the diagram. And then what to find? Magnitude. Our magnitude is that you can measure by a scale, correct or not? And angle from here that you can measure by a protractor. Got it? Protractor હતું તમે જાણો? Okay, now yes, 29. વિચાર તો કોઈ એનો party is clear. Which graph is given? Which type graph? Means practically it's a velocity time graph because here object is going in 6 directions. Okay, from velocity time graph, how do you find distance traveled? How do you find distance traveled? Area under which graph? VT graph. Okay or not? Yes. Mantra, is it clear? So 0 to 5 तो easy નથી બહુ. Okay, 0 to 10 please. So 0 to 10, how much is this velocity? 12 meter per second. How do you say 0 to 10 directly? What's this shape? Area under the graph or between graph and x? क्या shape क्या है? तो आपसे answer half base into clear or not clear? Sure. Okay. But the other one is a little interesting. Because here it's from t equal to 2 seconds to t equal to 6 seconds in our shape. Did you see that? So you can actually do it even without the graph, to be very frank. Okay. You can do it by equations of kinematics. Why so? Here in the first part from 0 to up to 5, the graph is what shape? 0 to 5. Graph is what shape? Straight line. Straight line means acceleration constant. Is that okay or not? Sure. So we can find out acceleration first and then find out the displacement from t equal to 2 to t equal to 5. Okay, that's one way. Right. So how to find acceleration? Here, what's the velocity? 0. After 5 seconds, the velocity is 12 meters per second. So using equation of kinematics from 0 second to 5 seconds. First equation, v equal to v0 plus kt. What's v? Final velocity. 12. Initial velocity. 0. Acceleration. We don't know. But the time interval. 0 to 5, 5. So how much is the acceleration? 12 by 5 or 2.4 meter per second square. Got that? Yes. So here the acceleration is 2.4 meter per second. Right? Now if I want to find out how much is the displacement, then I can do it in 2 or 3 different ways. You can do it with equation of kinematics, or you can do it from graph as well. Listen to this carefully. Acceleration is 2.4 meter per second square. Here the velocity is 0. So do you realize that after 2 seconds means at t equal to 2 seconds, the velocity will be 2 into 2.4 means 4.8 meter per second. Yes or no? Okay then. What's the meaning of acceleration? How much velocity increases in 1 second? Correct or not? Yes or not meaning? Yes. Ano meaning to that? 2.4 meter per second in 1 second. In 2 seconds, how much will it increase by? 4.8. Understood? So this velocity is 4.8 meter per second. This velocity is 4.8 meter per second. Now from here to here, you can use third equation of kinematics. Which one? Third. Alright. So from 2 seconds to 5 seconds. Now 2a delta x equal to v square minus v0. That's for our value. 2. What is the acceleration? 2.4. What's displacement we want to find? Equal to v square. What is v square? Final velocity 12. Just there 144 minus initial 4.8. 48 plus 12 or 48 to 6. 2304. Yes. Alright. 2304. So 23.04. Samjhana ne? 4.8 square is 23.0. Then you can find delta x from 2 to 5. Want to samjhana? Yes or no? Yes. Then what about 5 to 6? That's remaining. But look at the graph after 5 seconds. यहाँ देवी के ऊपर देवी के नीचे दे. So do you agree that in 5 to 6 seconds acceleration will be minus 2.4 meter per second square? Yes or no? Yes. How do we get that? Slope positive. Here the slope is symmetry. Take it. So now I want to find displacement in 1 second. Do we know the initial velocity in 5 seconds to 6 seconds? Which is initial, 5 or 6? 5. What's the initial velocity? 12. So for second equation use delta x equal to V is 0. T, how much is T? 1. Clear or not? 5 and 8, 6 and 8, 1. Plus half A, what is A? Minus 2.4. And T square, what is T square? 1. So answer is 12 minus 1.2, how much is that? 10.8. So our 10.8 in 5 to 6 seconds. And whatever you are getting here. So total displacement in 2 seconds to 6 seconds. How much would be that? Whatever you are getting here. Plus 10.8. Method clear? Of course, like I said, this is one of the 2 or 3 possible methods. बाकी तो मैं भी कर सकूँ. Take this trapezium, mega trapezium. You can find its area because area under VT graph also gives displacement. Yes or no? Yes, here trapezium देखें. You can also find its head. That will be 10.8. This one will be here. Got it? That's what we do. Fine. It's not a short question, remember. Yes.
22.
22.
Acceleration time.
Draw position time graph, velocity time graph, and acceleration time graph.
Sir, acceleration time graph.
Okay, when you drop something, click on it, drop. How much is acceleration? 9.8. Downwards, correct or not? So if you take upwards positive and downwards negative, so suppose this is 0 and this is AT graph. How much is acceleration? Always minus 9.8. Minus 9. At start it will be minus 9. After a little bit of time it will be minus 9. After a little bit more time, minus 9.8. So always it will be minus 9.8. Here, everywhere the acceleration is constant. So the AT graph is horizontal. Understood? Okay? Anything else? Okay, would like you go. Whose paper? Let's read it out.